G'day guys, welcome back. How are we? Heart throb. Heart throb. We'll start on 10 cents. 250. Want the free spins is what I want. $500 minor. Cracked one of them the other day. Fantastic. That was ordinary. $14. Yeah. I said I wanted free spins. Alright. Be nice. Few jacks. Not nice. 10 times our bet. 9 times our bet. At least we got it. I got what I asked for. I didn't ask for a good bonus. Just asked for the bonus. Yay! 25, 750. 10, 5, 750. Beautiful. Drop the major now, please. Kept seeing it flying around. That's better. $25 times that bet. Let's go 5 times multiple. How are you? 5 times multiplier, 30 lines. $23. One more feature. Either one. Free spins, hearts. Heap of diamonds. Ten times multiplier, 30 lines. One more. Let's go back to 10 cents, eh? $2.50. Now we got both features, but nothing tremendously good. Last spin. Collect my 60 cents and we shall move on to somewhere else. I've left Throb. This is where I've ended up. The gorilla. Why? Why? That grand jackpot is maxed out. 20k. Has it got my name on it? Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Actually, we'll start on 1 cent. Let's go. We'll just go 250. I was going to say it should have gone $5, but no. $11. see the red screen of the devil, please? Actually, the free spins are pretty good in this as well. Boom. No. This time. No. Yeah, surely. Thank you. Alright. $30 mini. $50 major. Need to land something. Oh dear. I got too excited too quickly. Symbol. One spin too late. Give me a second, I'll be back. I'm going to throw 50 in and we're going to $1 denom. Last 50 in. $3 bet. better than that crappy $14 bonus. Oh, I can't even do $4. Fight? No fighting? Collect? Oh, let's go and find something else to play. Last machine, Magic Emperor, Thunder Empire. Let's do some weird, not weird, but we're going to go 5 times multiply 25 lines. Different bets. That's what I meant, not weird ones, different ones. $2.50. Let's go 3 times 20 lines, eh? Oh, do it. Oh my goodness. 150, 150, 150. Look at that rubbish. I might just finish this 100 here, I think. Keep showing me $150 balls. Alright, give me a minute and I'll be back. Alright.
You want to drink or something?
No, I'm fine.
No Coke Zero?
No, not today. Not today. If I get anything, I'll get a bottle of water. Everybody's got bonuses all around me except me. Come on. This helps. Tap. go to $1, eh? $3 bets. $50 times your bet, not bad. I wish. $2. We need a lot more than $2. $10. It's a bit better. Yeah. Oh no. There's trouble. No, we're happy. We're happy. We're happy. Come on, bookends. 3 more. No. Oh, 4 rings, 3 aces. Last chance. $61, 20 times our bet. Again. Again. Yay! Finally woken up a little bit. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, very last one. Come on, purple. I think it's over. I really do. Oh, another 50. Back to the 100. Or the second 100 at least. Should we go $5 bets?
I think you should.
You think I should?
Yeah.
What do we got?
No.
I'll do one more at $3. Now I'm going to get $2. All right, $5. Here we go. Just missing a tiger on the front. Let's not get too excited just yet. Yeah, we've actually got to get something. Now we got $61 on a 4-trigger bonus. Ding! Yeah! Plus helmets. Let's go. That's a good start. Wonderful. We just need one more purple. Thank you. Now if you would just so kindly maybe drop the mini or the minor or the major in one of these. Or anything. 15. $125. We got quite a few we're starting with. Come on, purple. Take a full screen. Come on, fill it up. You might witness. You might witness. One more purple. I'd prefer one more number. Oh, I thought that was it. Ah, bugger. All right, we're going again. We may actually make all our money back. Land it. Oh, over. It's never over. Yeah, it's over. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's only our first spin of the free spins. I forgot about that. Is that a 500x bonus? 500x. I wish it was 500. 100x bonus? Nearly. Be nice. Last one. It's at 91 times our bet. Take that every day of the week. Alright, call me crazy, but I'm getting off there. Actually, we'll do this. We'll go to my favourite bet. 375. Nearly. That's not bad. $67, that's a lot better than what I thought. Should we run with 500? Oh. I will. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That's all my money back. Plus maybe $50 profit. Lovely. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around. I'll see you tomorrow with another one.